Our question number 3 is what? Write any two sets by listing method and by rule method. We have to write example of two sets by listing method and by rule method. For this we take example of what? We take example of what? Set of multiple of 5. Multiple of 5. Set of multiple of 5. So when we should write in a listing method, we write what? A is equal to set of multiple of 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, and it is continue. It is continue. 5 10 15 20 25 and continue, because here it is just given set of multiple of 5. Set of multiple of 5 means there are a lot of multiple of 5. We start from 5 10 15 20 25 and continue. Now this we write in a set builder method. This we write in a set builder method or rule method. What is that set builder method? When we write it in a set builder method, how we write it? We write it by like this: A is equal to x such that x is all multiples of 5. It is a x such that x is all multiple of 5. So student, first example I gave you. Now second one you will do by yourself. Second example you will do by yourself. I am just giving hint to you. You take a set of month of Gregorian year. You take a example of month of Gregorian year and you write that in a listing method and in a rule method. Our next question is question number 4. That is what? Write all the sets in a list method or roster form. All months of the Indian solar year. All the months of Indian solar year. For that we take A is equal to. For that we take A is equal to all the months of the Indian solar year. Indian solar year. Under that first one is a what? Chaitra. Second one is a Baisakh. Third one is the what? Jyeshtha. Fourth one is the what? Ashadha. Fifth one is the what? Shravan. फिर भाद्रपद, अश्विन, कार्तिक, मार्गशीर्ष, and 3 more months are there: Pause, Magh, and Falgun. there are total 12 months of Indian solar year, that is Chaitra, Baisakh, Jyeshtha, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadrapada, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashis, Paus, and Magha and Falgun. Yes. Second question is what? Letters in the word complement. Letters in the word complement. For that we write V is equal to letter in the words complement. First letter is what? C. Second letter is what? O. Third letter is what? M. Fourth letter is what? P. Fifth letter is what? L. Sixth letter is what? E. M is repeated, so we don't take M. E is also repeated, so we didn't take E. We take N, and after that T. In set, you always remember that which alphabet and whatever alphabet and whatever number is repeated, we don't take that number again. So student, our next question is what? Set of human sensory organs. For that we take C is equal to, there are 5 human sensory organs. What is that? Eyes, ear. After every element you put a comma. Ear, nose, eyes, sorry, eyes is already came. Ear, eyes, ear, nose, tongue, and fifth one is a skin. This is our 5 sensory organs in our body. C is equal to eyes, ear, nose, tongue, and skin. Next question is what? Set of prime number from 1 to 20. Set of prime number from 1 to 20. We write all the sets in between 1 to 20. For this we take D. We take D as a set. D is equal to prime number between 1 to 20. The first prime number is a 2. After that 3. After that 5. After that 7. After that 9, no, 9 is not a prime number. After that 11. After that 13, 15, no, 15 is not a prime number because it is divided by 3 or 5. 15 is not. After that 17, and after 17 the last one in between 1 to 20 is a 19. 19 is the last prime number. So D is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So our last question under question number 4 is what? Name of continent of the world. Name of continent of the world. There are 7 continents in the world. What is that? E is equal to first continent is Asia. Second continent is what? Asia. Second is Africa. Third one is Europe. After that South America. North America, Australia, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Africa, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not Africa. Africa is already came. Africa. Last one is Antarctica. There are 7 continents in the world. So next question, that is question number 5, is what? Write the following sets using rule method. Rule method means just write one statement for all the list. First one is the what? A is equal to what? We just see the pattern. Here they give number 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. All this number is a perfect square. All this number is a perfect square from 1 to 10. So how we write? We write x such that x is equal to n square, x such that x is equal to n square, and n belongs to, n is an element of natural number, n is an element of natural number, and n is a less than n equal to 10. N is a less than n equal to 10. N is a natural number and n is a less than n equal to 10. So it's a first answer. So our next question is what? B is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. The pattern of this set is a multiple of 6. The table of 6 in this pattern, in this sets. So we write what? B is equal to what? X such that x is equal to multiple of 6, therefore 6n, and n belongs to, n belongs to natural number, and n is a less than n equal to 6 8 is 48. 6 8 is 48. So what's the statement? X is that x is equal to 6n, n belongs to natural number, and n is a less than n equal to 8. So in this series, third question is what? C is equal to S, M, I, L, E. So this is the alphabets of, write down C is equal to X such that X, all the letters of word smile. Okay, all the letters of the word smile. It's all the letters of word smile. So question number 4 under this, that is what? They give the all the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Write what? D is equal to X such that X is all 7 days of week. X such that all 7 days of a week. Okay, all the 7 days of week. So last question of this exercise is what? X is equal to A, E, T. So it is also a letter of the word, any word. What is that word? We write over here. X is equal to X such that X is the letter of word T, is the letter of word T. Okay, so it is the letter of the word T.